Hello friends, in this video I will explain how you can find the recent files or search for any file in your project in VS Code. So it's very simple. Basically what you have to do is you have to press the Ctrl Shift P to get this command palette, or you can also click on view and then click on command palette, or that is shortcut key, that is Ctrl Shift P. On Mac it will be command Shift P. Once you open it, over there you have to press backspace to remove this caret. And then you can see here it is searching for the files by name. Append colon to go to the line, or at to go to the symbol. So you can also go to specific line if you know the line number. But as soon as you press this backspace key, here it is showing the list of the recent files. Or if the file is not listed here, you can also search it. For example, I'm going to search for one file which is, say, JSON. You can see all the files with this JSON in that file name are being displayed. Or if you want to search for the files which contains YouTube, so you can see all the files which contains this YouTube in its name are being displayed here. That's it. So to go to that file, just click on any of these files and you will be taken to that file. It's very simple. Thanks for watching.